Buckle up because it's leg 3 of our Headed East series.
And it's cold again.
Have you ever had one of those trips when you're traveling to a beautiful place and you know it's beautiful because you've been there before, but the weather is so yucky that it looks different? Well, that's what happened to us. But our motto is, have the best day ever. And that's exactly what we did, even when we're traveling through the Gulf states in the frigid cold. What is happening? And again, good morning. And again, it's travel day. So we're leaving Biloxi after a 2-night stay. And now we are headed to DeFuniak, where we're going to stay at Twin Lakes RV Resort for 2 nights. And it's cold again. That weather is chasing us. We are in spot 63. No, 64. Gray and Jill are in 63. Hope you can hear me over the diesel engines. This park has 2 sections, you'd call it, and they're kind of a little bit apart, but we are in the big rig section. Here comes Mark. Straight back. This is nice and convenient with these spots being vacant. Remember what I have to do? Put the seat back, put the seat down, because I'm short.
Here, I watch for my 4-wheel drive and shift in progress to go on. Okay, now I'm looking for the red neutral. It is. Pull it in gear. It doesn't go anywhere. Doesn't go anywhere. So I shut it off. Wait about 10 seconds, it says, by the book. Start back up. Still make sure it's in neutral. It is. Okay, shut it off. Leave it key in turn 1 position. Hit my battery. Disconnect. I'm disconnected.
Brake controller's right here. Brake check time again.
Brakes.
I am about to get in the seat. Okay. Brakes.
Okay, brakes, good. Right blinker. Left blinker. Okay, flashers. Okay, all hooked up good. Okay.
All right.
Bye.
Bye. As I said, we're going to DeFuniak, Florida, which is in the Panhandle, and staying at Twin Lakes RV Resort. From here, it's not very long of a trip. Oh, crap. Here we go. Arrive in 3 hours, 4 minutes, and we're going to get there about noon. which is perfect because check-in is at noon. Imagine that. I've got my camera in the window shield, ready to go. Plants are in the sink, so that is good. I have to press refrigerator unlock before the refrigerator will open. It's a magnetic lock. See, it won't open. So I have to click this button, and then voila, it opens. There's the magnet right up there. One of the magnets. And I've got my tension rods in the fridge. I don't know what got all over that. Soup. That's Olive Garden soup. You can get a half gallon of soup for like, I don't know, $17. And it has quite a bit of helpings in there. You can get it by the half gallon or the gallon. But we got the half gallon because it's just the two of us. All right, moving on. Let's get my checklist. Our checklist. Okay. AC's off, dishwasher, drawers are locked, dishwasher is locked, drawers, drawer, stuff's in the sink just in case, lock is in the shower, nothing in there. These are all closed. Oh, my mirror. It's never fallen, but I have kept it up there before, but I'm taking it down just to be sure. And drawers are locked. TV is stowed away. I think that's pretty much it on my checklist.
Little Prevost to big Prevost. Come in, big Prevost. They're big because they're way taller than we are.
And heavier.
Well, 4,000 pounds heavier, but that's the two slides. But they're just considerably taller than we are. We're baby bus.
Yes. What you doing? You look perplexed.
Yeah, my brake box is not coming on correctly.
Oh, is that your brake controller? Oh, it looks totally different.
It's a blue ox.
It's a blue ox.
It really works well, but I don't understand why it's not working.
It's just blinking. Is it supposed to turn green or something?
Yeah. I gotta see why it might have blown a fuse.
Oh, there it goes. It was green.
There it is. Okay.
Loose connection. So wait. Okay.
All right, my sweet. We're ready to go.
All right. Long trip. That's how tall they are. And here's our baby bus. We're gonna go out this gate. Oh, there's the other section of the park. So we're gonna go out. There's a road right there. We're gonna turn there. We're gonna make a right, go down about 7 miles, and then turn again.
They're reading a little high because the temperature's not as cold as it was in Arlington. But see, all my back tires are all at 90, and these should be about 115, 16. They're up a little, about 5 pounds high. Okay, little bus is pulling out.
Our GPS is wanting us to turn left, but we're not gonna do it because we are so low to the ground. We don't want to
High center.
high center. Yeah, we don't. I was trying to think of a different way to say that. That didn't sound so bad, but we didn't want a high center. I know you probably can't see it on the video.
Or drag the front bumper.
Yeah, or drag the front bumper.
Well, the little facade under the front bumper.
We measured one time and we're about 10 inches off the ground. And yeah, we don't bend in the middle.
And going to backtrack about 4 miles and then go up to the I-10 versus crossing over and going down that little dip.
Mm-hmm.
Better safe than sorry.
Absolutely.
And if you have ever watched Keep Your Daydream with Mark and Trish, he has a saying, I think he says, fast is expensive, slow is cheap. Meaning, if you rush things and go fast,
mile, keep right to Gateway Drive, then take the third left.
You're probably going to tear something up. So just play it easy. Play it safe. Take it easy.
True.
Oh, it wants me to do a U-turn.
Oh, no.
No.
Nikki, we're not doing a U-turn. No. Not happening.
We're about to enter Florida here in a few minutes. We're about 5 miles from the border.
Arriving at Twin Lakes Camp Resort on the right.
If they got rid of that one tree right there, it'd be perfect.
Oh, yeah.
And
Well,
they never have.
I got out and asked Gail, I said, do they need me to guide them through that? And she was like, nah.
They got it.
They got it.
They don't tear it up.
There's lots of places to walk around here.
Oh, it's
yeah.
beautiful. I was just telling him, like the front, when we get back, I want to look in that little store, but I want to go next door to the activity center. I just want to see it.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's like an old timey lake.
Just wait till, Gray, you're going to love this fishing.
Yeah, I'm gonna go
They have
see it.
these fish feeders, and they go off periodically, and it sprays the
The
fish
fish
come
are,
up, and they have probably 10 of them, and then you walk across the peninsula, and on the other side are beautiful yurts.
Tell you about this little dip.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was kind of unusual.
I don't know why they have it there, really.
I think this door opens automatically.
It does.
Okay.
It comes this way, though.
Oh, yep, it does.
And we're going to turn down 331,
Mm-hmm.
and we're going to see if it's closed or not.
That is weird. Yeah.
Well, we don't know at what point it was
Ours
closed.
kept going back and forth, back and forth.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, you need to reroute, you don't. You need to reroute,
You don't.
So
That's
it was
weird,
frustrating.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a really neat.
Big bar in the
This is a neat place.
It was a good find.
Yeah, that is a check when we come back this way again. That's where we're
Last time we
stay.
stayed here a week.
Well, we were talking about too. I was telling Gray, I said we're staying here for 2 nights and we're staying at the station for 1 night. He was like, "Can we not make it to Auburndale?" I said we could, but we did it so we would be relaxing, and we did it because
That van had double axles in the back.
because we got another madame.
yeah.
Right here.
You know, we're trying to, kill time
stage
up
it,
into the art. Yeah, stage it. And I said, if you want me to, I can cancel the station and see if we can get an extra night at the Margaritaville. But
I would think that would be done. Well, I
That
don't
costs
know.
more money.
Y'all could do it.
No,
Y'all could do it at Christmas that time.
it costs more
I'm not
money.
going to say that anymore to y'all. But yes, it costs more money.
No, yeah. Yeah,
You see,
I'm
we
happy
should've
with
just
going
gone
to
up here and come in this way.
Or next
And I
is
don't know
3
why that
3
thing kept
hours.
rerouting.
And then from the station to where we're going to Margaritaville.
Oh, that's perfect.
I'm loving that. I am
You're loving
loving
what?
that. I'm loving the 3-hour gig.
But I
like
will. It
5
is more
hours.
expensive because you have more stays.
You do. 5 hours wasn't bad, but you it isn't more expensive because you figured you'd be spending another night there.
Oh, well, that's, you're right.
Because if we canceled the station, I'd be trying to get another night at Margaritaville. So
Yeah.
we're,
When I told Gail though coming down here, I said, what I've noticed about these type trips is nothing. You're not stressed out at the end of the day. You only drive 3 to 4 hours, 4 hours, 5 if you have to, and you're there. I love it.
Y'all, the weather is really not cooperating. And we're only here 2 nights, so I'm going to do the best I can on showing you this great RV resort. Again, it's called Twin Lakes Camping and RV Resort. Let's see, what's their actual name? Twin Lakes Camp Resort. It doesn't even have the word RV in it. Interesting. Anyway, I'm going to show you a really nice slick book that they give you when you check in. Here's a beautiful aerial of the park. The last time we were here, and this time, we stayed on the K side area, K for King Lake, and there's this side as well, and these are the H sides because it's on the Holly Lake side. The park is all this area right here with the lake houses, cabin suites, tiny homes. There's some beautiful glamping tents here, but then it also goes all the way across this dam, which doesn't look very long, but it really is. And then there's glamping tents over here on this side as well. So it's really a big, nice resort. Just wish it was this pretty of a day this time so you could see it with some great footage. But it's a gloomy day and it's rainy and it's yucky outside. And it's cold.
Stay tuned to our next video
Okay.
when we run into something we've never run into before.
I have some bad news. Oh my God.